Hi everyone, I am Majed Elwardy. I'm a PhD student in Computer Science Department at Peking Institute of Technology. I'm pursuing a PhD under the supervision of Professor Hans-Jürgen Zepernick. My research interests include image and video quality assessment, machine learning, and signal processing. I would like to present our work with the title on the effect of standing and seated viewing of 360-degree videos on subjective quality assessment. First, I'm going to present the introduction, then I will share with you the results, and finally, giving the conclusions. Virtual reality applications such as viewing 360-degree videos on head-mounted displays have become increasingly popular in recent years. In order to quantify the quality of experience of virtual reality environments, human ratings on quality are needed to provide a ground truth. Also, virtual reality offers 6 degrees of freedom to explore scenes. As such motivations, sitting and standing while watching virtual reality stimuli may be considered. Starting with a subjective experiment, a subjective 360-degree video quality assessment has been conducted. The stimuli we show includes the reference and test videos, which contain 5 resolutions and 5 quantization parameters. In particular, 5 experts watched 120 videos of 4 different scenes on HTC Vive Pro headset while seated on a fixed chair and while standing as well. The participants were asked to rate the video quality on a 5-level quality scale as recommended by the absolute category rating with hidden reference method. Each of the 2 sessions lasted around 30 minutes and 2 sessions conducted on 2 different days. A simulator sickness questionnaire was answered by each participant before and after a session. Now, moving to the results, Figure 1 shows the average rating times and 95% confidence interval for the 4 different scenes, and the average rating times over the 4th scene as well. The blue bar refers to the standing viewing, and the red bar refers to the seated viewing. As we can see in the figure, the difference in average rating times between standing and seated viewing is insignificant. In addition, the average rating times are well below 2 seconds, which may assess the design of subjective experiments. Moving to the mean opinion scores, like Figure 2 shows mean opinion score versus quantization parameter for different resolutions. Although the progression for standing and seated viewing are similar, the resolving power regarding the different resolution and quantization parameters seems to be higher for the case of seated viewing compared to the standing. And finally, the simulator sickness clusters. Figure 3 shows the simulator sickness cluster scores for nausea, oculomotor disorientation, and total score. By watching the test videos while standing results in much higher score for the 3 simulator sickness clusters and the total score as well compared to the seated viewing. Giving the conclusions, the difference in average rating times between standing and seated viewing is insignificant. Seated viewing of the test videos seems to support the participants with higher resolving power among the different quality levels. And finally, significantly lower simulation sickness has been reported for seated viewing compared to standing. That brings us to the end of the presentation, and thank you for listening.